हाय हेलो नमस्कार। इस चैनल में आने के लिए आप सभी को फिर से आभार। आज हमारा टॉपिक है क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग एग्जाम्पल। अब क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग के बारे में मैंने एक पिछले वीडियो बनाया था, उसमें आपको समझाया था मैंने आपको कि व्हाट इज क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, व्हाई इट इज नीडेड एंड व्हाट इज द टेक्निक बिहाइंड इट. सो वी विल नॉट रिपीट that video in this video. Okay, so if you want to know what is cloud computing, I will give a link in the description, so you can just check this out, so that first of all you can understand what is cloud computing and then look at the examples of cloud computing which we see in our everyday life. Okay, so there are 1 2 3 4 5 practical applications of cloud computing. First, IaaS means infrastructure as service. Like if we are in a company and we don't have our own servers, our DNS server, our DHCP server, our firewall, we can just assign it to outsource it to companies like Amazon EC2, Windows Azure. These are companies which will give you infrastructure in exchange of money. So you don't have to set up your own server, you don't have to maintain them, you don't have to store your data in your server, you don't have to replace them. Everything will be taken care by these companies like Amazon EC2, Windows Azure. So that is known as infrastructure. We are basically outsourcing the whole infrastructure like server, even virtual machine to another entity on behalf of us. Okay. Second is NAS, networking as a service. If you don't want to maintain the DHCP servers, if you don't want to maintain the Wi-Fi routers, if you don't want to maintain the firewalls, if you don't want to maintain the wireless network connection, then we can also outsource this networking job to another companies like Cisco. So they charge you a monthly fee and they will take care of your all networking problems in your firm. So that is an example of cloud computing. Third one is SaaS, software as service. Example, Google G Suite. For example, I want a software, but I don't want to install it in my computer. For example, I want to learn Python, but I don't want to install it in my computer. So I can just run a software through cloud computing. If there is a software which is heavy for a normal computer, we can use cloud computing to use that software as a cloud computing platform. So we have to pay a monthly fee like Google G Suite, but we can use the softwares without downloading it into our computer through internet only. So we can do all our things without downloading or purchasing software, because some software like Adobe Photoshop, that are very costly. So we can just pay a monthly premium and we can enjoy the services without burdening our machine. Third is platform as service. Example, Google App Engine. Now platform means, suppose you are an app developer or a web developer, then you need certain platform like certain software, certain networking connection to develop an app. So the ecosystem will be provided by the companies like Google App Engine. So you can pay the monthly fee and you can develop an app with the help of platform as service. We don't need to install that software, we don't need to take care of that platform kind of things, because we are outsourcing it. And because of cloud computing through internet, we can develop an app by just paying monthly fee to Google App Engine. Okay. Fifth one is DAS for directory as service. So what is a directory? Directory is mainly a service in which we can manage multiple machines. So like Windows Active Directory. We will talk more about directory in the upcoming videos. But for now, just understand that directory means a centralized storage and managing of multiple computers. Like if I have 10 computers and if I have directory service, then I can manage those 10 computers in a centralized way. So I can manage those 10 computers from one terminal. So that is known as directory service. So for that also we can outsource it as a service. We don't need to install that directory service, or we don't have to purchase the directory service, because we can use it as cloud computing. So these 5 are the major practical examples of cloud computing, and we will see all these things in our daily life, but we don't notice it. Like our Microsoft Office in mobile phones is a example of software as a service. We can access Excel, PowerPoint, everything with one app like Microsoft Office. So it is an example of software as a service. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द वीडियो। काफ़ी आसान वीडियो है, बस आपको इन 5 चीज़ों को ध्यान रखना है। क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग के अगर आपको डाउट है तो आप मेरा पहला वाला वीडियो देख लीजिए, मैं उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, तो उसके हिसाब से आप वापस समझ सकते हो। लेकिन ये इसके एग्जाम्पल्स हैं रियल लाइफ। सो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। ऐसे हम कुछ मजेदार टॉपिक के साथ अगली वीडियो में मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए बाय।